What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Forced Induction Garage. In today's video, we're going to be putting a new clutch master cylinder on the hatch. Now that we got the car up and running, we want to make sure that we drive the car and make sure everything is good on there. Now, the car is not registered or insured just yet, but once we get all these final things buttoned up, we're going to have our first ride. So for anybody that's watching, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, that way you can stay updated on the build. Let's get started. Alright, so here's our new clutch master right here. There we go. And in order to change this guy, you're going to want to start over here. There's these two 10mm bolts that you got to take off, which I already did already. And then you're going to see the hose that runs down to the bottom. There's a little clamp on there, which I already undid as well. This little guy, you just got to pull that back and the hose comes out. And then you would have to do the line right here. I don't have a line on here yet, I got a running line, but normally you would just disconnect that brake line from there, and then you have to go inside the car and work on disconnecting everything from the inside. So now that that step is done, I'm gonna go inside the car and then I'm gonna show you guys what you got to do next. Alright, so once you're inside the car, this is your clutch pedal here. Just follow it up, and this is your clutch master. Now this little cotter pin right here, you got to pull that cotter pin out, and then you got to take this nut off, and there's another one on this side which you can't really see. Once you take those two nuts out, that clutch master will slide right out from the other side, and that's how you get that guy out. So I took the cotter pin out. Usually that way I take these guys out, I just grab it and twist and you pull right out. But once you get that cotter pin out, let me see if I can get in here. Alright, this right here, you got to push that through and it'll come out the other side. You might have to tap it a few times, but you'll be able to get that out. Let me show you guys real quick. Alright, and that's how it looks. So now that we got this piece out, this is completely loosened right here. And now we just got to work on taking these two nuts out, and that clutch master will be coming out. Alright guys, so I got the nuts all out, and it should push right through, as you can see. Let me go on the other side and grab it. Alright, so let's make our way over here. You can see it's already somewhat out, and that's it. And here's the old one. And now to put the new one in is the same process, just in reverse. And there you have it, guys. New clutch master officially installed. All I gotta do is wait for my buddy Dave, because he got the flaring kit, and then we'll run the line and we should be able to start moving this car. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The progress continues on the build, and as always, keep on watching. Catch you guys on the next.